shopping cart using PHP alone and Xamp. So first off, we connected our Xamp server and hosted it on port 8000, and then the MySQL database on 3307 because 330306 is giving me problem. This is 3307. So if I go to, let's just go to localhost. Okay, let me just use localhost. Okay. Localhost 8000. Localhost 8000 dash. This is just to see that it's working. Shopping cart. Boom. This is my index page as seen here. So this is the index page, and here it just pulls data from our database, which we are using Xamp, our Xamp database. So what we did is we inserted created a database using PHP. We created the class create database, and then called the database again. And after that, we created the connection from MySQLite connection, and then we execute the query to create the table product DB. After creating the product DB, we then use the get data function to get data into our index page as seen here. Now, after that, we manually insert this SQL statement, which then gets the items which we've pre-populated into the upload folder, the images and everything, and then it gets it on the database, and so we just create a new SQL statement here, and then it inserts it into our product DB table, each of the items. Now after doing that, we then say so let me just demonstrate the app first. So for example, after inserting the items into our database, it will be populated here, but I'm just explaining what's going on at the back. So for example, if we add one item to cart and press it twice, we created a session function that holds each item in a session. Basically, it holds each item in a session variable. Now let me add this again. It has added it to cart as seen here, but if I click it again, it will now say okay, product is already added to cart, because in the session you've already added the product to cart already. So now and then let's just add this third one. It has added it, but it won't show it any error because. So now let me go to the cart, for example, and then say multiple, because I've not. Okay, let me take this out. Product has been removed. So yeah, so basically if we create a new session, let's go back to our cart. Now if we add this again, there won't be any problem. Now after doing that, we just created, using Bootstrap and some other tools, we just basically created our header, just so that it won't just be this item that is there alone. And then so this is each of the